Hi, my name's Paul, and I put sound effects on film and TV programs for a living. This is where I work. I'll just show a very quick sequence just to demonstrate what I do. So if we play this here. So when things are filmed, they don't always record sound, or the sound they record isn't very good, so we make all the sound up later and put it on. All these different bits here are all different sounds, so if I play some individually, one is just the thunder, he says. That one's just the thunder. Here we've got trees breaking. So everything's built up and done separately, and this is from a series I did a couple of years ago called Serengeti, and it takes about 6 weeks to do a whole programme, and you end up with lots and lots and lots of different sounds which are all then joined together for the finished film. It's quite a specialised job, not that many people do it. I got into it when I was younger. I loved film. I was reading about films, watching films, making my own little films. I then, after A-levels, did a foundation art course, which I made some more films. At university I went to film school, and then when I left I joined the BBC and trained for about another 4 years at the BBC. Because films and TV programmes cost so much money, they cost millions, obviously if you're doing the sound it's quite a big responsibility. It's fun. I still love doing it. The only downside I can think of is that the hours are quite unsociable sometimes, especially when you're trying to get something finished. You tend to work every hour of the day, 7 days a week. I've worked on Christmas Day and you know, whatever you needed really. It's definitely a creative job. It's not just putting the sound you see. You can help tell a story. You can put the sounds out of vision. Maybe something's going on in the background, which just helps tell the story, and that side of it's really fun as well. If you wanted to get involved in it, work experience, there's quite a few places in Bristol, the BBC, Aardman, and there's other companies as well. A lot of people start as runners, basically just making cups of tea and coffee and helping move things around, to pick which part of the filmmaking process they want to specialise in. Okay, hopefully that's enough to let you know what I do. Bye.